Good day, children of God. Welcome to Black Chief Media. This is Kelelo. For those who are here for the first time, welcome in Jesus' name. Thank you for tuning here. It was not a mistake for you to be here in the first place. So what I'm going to do today, in fact, what I have started creating is a Bible retold. So we will be starting the Bible from the start. So whenever you see this video, make sure you follow it chapter by chapter. I'll try and title them accordingly and put them in sequence and the way the Bible it is. So how far I'll go is God's choice. But for now, let's learn. Please, I urge you, I will always urge you, introduce your children to this. Introduce them to these videos. Introduce them to God's love. Show them the truth. Be honest to your kids. Let them be better people in life. Because without God's love, we have nothing to live for. So, parents, I urge you, make sure the kids, you invite them from a tender age. Make it a habit, a culture to love this thing. I hope you will enjoy the first season of Bible Retold and enjoy it in Jesus' name. I love you all. Genesis, the beginning. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And there was evening, and there was morning the first day. And God said, let there be an expanse between the waters to separate water from water. So God made the expanse and separated the water under the expanse from the water above it. And it was so. God called the expanse sky, and the evening there was morning the second day. And God said, let the waters under the sky be gathered to one place. Let the dry ground appear. And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and gathered the waters He called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants, trees on the land that bear fruit with the seed in it according to their various kinds. And it was so. The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seeds according to their kinds, and the trees bearing fruits with the seed in it according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was the morning the third day. And God said, let there be light in the expanse of the sky to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark seasons and days and years, and let them be lights in the expanse of the sky to give light on the earth. And it was so. God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. God set them in expanse of the sky to give light on the earth, to govern the day, the night, and to separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. And there was everything. There was morning the fourth day. And God said, let the water teem with living creatures, and let the birds fly above the earth across the expanse of the sky. So God created the great creatures of the sea and every living moving thing with which the waters teems, according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to their kind of its kind. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them and said, be fruitful and increase in number, fill the water in the sea, let the birds increase on the earth. And there was evening and there was morning the fifth day. And God said, let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, livestock creatures that move along the ground, and wild animals, each according to its kind. It was so. God made the wild animals according to their kinds, the livestock according to their kinds, and all the creatures that move along the ground according to their kind. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, let us make man in our image, in our likeness, and let them rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air, over the livestock, over all the earth, and over all the creatures that move along the ground. So God created man in his own image. In the image of God he created him. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it, rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air, and over every creature that moves on the ground. Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the earth. On the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food. And to all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds of the air, and all the creatures that move on the ground, everything that has breath of life in it, I give you. I give every green plant for food. And it was so. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. And there was evening and there was morning the sixth day. Thank you so much. That's the end of chapter 1.